Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, we are going to talk about bids on eBay and how can you remove or delete a bid that you've done. So, eBay is well known with their auction buys. For example, here, if I went to sneakers, you'll find a lot of people that are selling these sneakers for a specific price, but also there will be people that are selling them as an auction. Whoever gives the best offer, they will get them. As you can see right here, for example, this guy has best offer, so you can actually give them like an offer that is higher than this, and basically you can have it immediately. Now, sometimes you will be bidding in an auction, you would like to stop it. So here are the logic that talks about it and explains what are you agreeing when you bid on something. So if you have made a mistake when bidding on an item, you can retract your bid in certain circumstances. Here, whenever you place a bid, you are agreeing to buy the item if you win the auction. However, in some situations, you can retract your bid, which is something like that, which is a button that looks like this. Keep in mind that you can't always retract a bid once it has been made. Bids on items listed in trading cards categories, for example, can't be retracted. If you are not able to retract your bid, you can also try contacting the seller to see if they will cancel your bid for you. The decision is to cancel is this direction to the seller, distractions from the seller. So it's all up to him if he wants to cancel your bid or not, if he was nice enough to cancel it. So yeah, guys, that was basically it. Thank you guys all for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.